Welcome to today's thought with the scattered thought. Just had a real quick one today. I thought I would share something with you that I picked up recently. It seems, a lot of you out there are probably into the organizational type things like I am, and I came across something for the micro SD card readers. This is actually something that might come in handy for many of you out there. I found it online on Amazon. I will post the links down in the comments, and you can kind of figure out if you would like it for yourself on your own, as usual. So let's go ahead and take a look. So this is a micro SD. Actually, it comes in several varieties. This is actually the one I picked up. It said it was good for like drones and cameras or whatnot. But you can get one that's just for camera people, or they had like 5 or 6 different kinds on there. Just check it out. It just basically changes the blades that come in it. This is a Swiss Army knife style one. So let's go ahead and take a look here. Actually, I'll go ahead and grab some cards here so we can try that out here in a moment. All right, let's go ahead and check this out. So, like with most things, like with most cards and things like that, it comes with a nice little reader. This one's interesting. Is this a... No, this actually might be a memory card. Huh. I'll have to check it out. Doesn't look like a reader though. I don't know. Let me see. If it is... Oh wow. Yeah, you see that? It's a memory card reader that the card slides all the way in, and then you slide that. It replaces that little bit inside the USB for it. That's very interesting. I've never seen one like that. So I have to toss this in the old bag too. It's nice and light and small. Not worried about losing it. I'm betting it probably... Oh yeah. Betting it probably connects right to this guy. Probably why they included the handy dandy little chain, huh? And you have to excuse the mess, as I've been kind of tinkering and building this morning while I was attending the Spin Up 2020. So I have just not taken any time to clean anything up as of yet today. So I lost a couple lights here. I have to work on that. Oh yeah. Alright. So like I said, this is actually a Swiss Army style one on here, which I found, I kind of like things that'll kind of tuck in there. Mind you, I tried that Swiss Army key knife, or the thing for your keys, before. Wasn't a fan. I think this is actually a little nicer. As you can see, it holds different styles, and depending on the one you purchase will be what it has in with it. Let's take a look here. So it looks like, yeah. Well, that slid in nice and easy. Just grab some of my randos here. There's that 2, 16, 16, 8. Yeah, I'm a little OCD. You have to forgive me on that too. We'll put the big boy one here. One of these days when I manage to save up, I'm going to get myself a DJI Pocket, or Osmo Pocket, whatever you want to call it. That's probably what I'll use all these little guys for. That's interesting. I guess if you just pull that out, look at that. Let's go ahead and slide these guys in. It's not bad. It's a nice firm fit. These 2 gig ones in a long time. Can't think of many things these days that would do well with a 2 gig card in it. Maybe for some quick storage, but I'm just testing these things out. Get some bigger and badder boys to put in here eventually. Look at that. That's nice. Easy to read. Kind of drives me crazy that they printed those things different, but I guess they're different styles. You can see here. Yeah, I dig it. Everything in nice and easy to get. It's all very nothing's coming out. And it all kind of folds in, has that little unique thing. Yeah, I like it. Yeah, it wasn't that expensive either, so if it's something you might be curious or interested in and just want to carry a large amount of cards, might be something good for you. But as far as me, I'm going to go ahead and toss this in the bag right after this video. So as always, thank you for checking me out in today's thought with the scattered thought. And as always, fly creative. Take care. Bye.